Hey guys, Catherine Arensberg here, and look what I got in the mail yesterday. The West Elm Outdoor Furniture Catalog. And I have not looked through it, so we're gonna look through it together and get a fresh look at what West Elm is offering this summer in their outdoor patio furniture collection. It's 30% off, so you know, we're already starting off at a sale, which is great. In general, West Elm is a very modern style, and so I'm expecting lots of modern type furniture. If you're into that, good. If you're not, go back to front gate, because that was definitely the more traditional style. Very first page, right out of the bat, we have a low sofa situation happening, which I like. It's very similar to the low chunky sofas that we're seeing inside, and so I like that they're trying to do that outside as well. Styling is super good, West Elm. I'm super impressed with because you know, a lot of their stuff is very gray, so you'll see that they've got gray furniture, but then on top of that they've layered it with the color, which is exactly what I would get you to do at home too. If you love your neutral furniture, you love your grays and your browns, get some little pops of color to put as accents. Even if it's green, I love green as an accent color, but if it's all just gray and brown, it's pretty boring. All right, we've got, I don't even know what this is. They've got a picture of a table and a hand of people eating on a table. I don't know what's happening. West Elm, that's a weird picture. I'm not into this. This is supposed to be modern, but this is not good in my opinion. I don't love, it's like too streamlined for me. Not a fan, and I definitely don't love the table. This is okay. I've been seeing this a lot recently, where it's this whole wicker look. These are actually probably resin, they're probably not really wicker, and they've got the, I'm pointing the wrong way, yes, here it is, with the modern legs on it, the mid-century modern legs. Like it's trying to get there, but it's not quite there in my opinion as far as like the exact look. I'm not sure I like that mix of wood and the wicker resin together. This is weird too. The whole wicker table thing, wicker on the bottom of the table, I can't get on board, but the chairs are all right. I really do like the modern, well, they're just square boxes basically for planters. I do really like those. I especially like the way that they have them styled with just a simple green plant in them. I think that the simple green plant really lends itself to that modern style. So if you're styling your own and you like that modern style, go with a really simple planter, but then a really simple plant inside of it too. It really does work together that way. This is a more traditional style. I would say that anything that they try to box out and make it all the kind of square shapes, those are very modern, but then they soften it up a little bit with the more traditional teak and the traditional kind of like soft wood color, which is good. So if you like something that's kind of transitional, a perfect marriage between the modern look and the traditional look, this one's probably a good one for you. This one's called Playa? Playa? I want to say Playa. It might be playa. I don't know. It means what? Beach. Playa means beach in Spanish. Oh, I don't know Spanish. Okay, we're just gonna call it the beach collection then. No, it's playa, whatever. I do like that they've taken a traditional wicker chair and given it a color. I do like that spin on things, these here, so that we're not with that traditional wicker. I've seen this shape for several years now, several seasons through, and I like that they've got that colorful spin on it. Definitely would look good around a more neutral table, and then give you the little pops of color with the chair instead, and then put a more neutral pillow inside for an accent. Ooh, I kind of like these little, F, what is F? Melamine, see there's that word, melamine is basically plastic. Terrazzo silverware, I really like that. It's white and it's got flecks of color in it that make it look like terrazzo. I'm on this terrazzo kick right now, so I'm really into that, and I really like that melamine dinnerware that goes along with it. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty short catalog. And then they go back to interior stuff. I'm not sure what happens, why outdoor catalogs need to sneak in an indoor situation here, but we have mattresses in the back in case you want one page of mattress. But that's it. That's the West Elm catalog. It's pretty abridged. It was a very short version. I'm sure they have more online. But overall, I'm gonna give it a 3-star. Just feel like It just wasn't enough for me to see and really be able to plan anything from. And it's a lot of sets of things. I would love to see you, the manufacturers, if you're watching right now, mix and match some things together in your styling so that we can see how different pieces would work together instead of everything being the collection as one on each page. All right, that's all I gotta say for it. 3 out of 5 stars, or 3 out of, what do we say? Fern fronds?
Fern fronds.
3 out of 5 fern fronds. Good job, West Elm.